Welcome to Product Plus. From versatile kitchen gadgets like electric choppers, rotary graters, and milk frothers to practical tools such as dish mats, pot cleaners, and massage kits, these innovative products simplify cooking, cleaning, and daily life while enhancing convenience and efficiency. All products links in the description section below. If you love blending convenience with a lifestyle that feels effortless, this stand mixer fits right into that rhythm. It's the kind of tool that sits proudly on your counter, ready for weekend baking, quick midweek mixing, or those let's try something new kitchen moments. With its sturdy build and versatile performance, it naturally encourages you to explore more homemade creations without overthinking it. And just before we wrap up, its current price is $349.95, a solid value for anyone wanting to elevate everyday cooking adventures today. Steaming your meals becomes surprisingly simple with this clever folding basket, especially if you're trying to add more healthy, low-effort dishes into your weekly routine. Its flexible sides fit a range of pots, making it easy to prepare vegetables, dumplings, or quick reheats without fuss. Because it folds down small, it suits busy kitchens and minimal storage spaces perfectly. It's the kind of tool that nudges you to cook smarter, not harder. And before we finish, its price is $10.78, helping you upgrade your routine today in a simple, satisfying, everyday, budget-friendly, confidence-boosting way for your kitchen. Relaxing on the couch gets a whole lot easier when you've got a handy surface right where you need it. This foldable arm tray blends seamlessly into a cozy, laid-back lifestyle, perfect for holding snacks, drinks, remotes, or your phone during movie nights or work from sofa moments. Its bamboo design adds warmth to your space while keeping everything comfortably within reach. It's one of those simple upgrades that quickly becomes part of your daily routine. And before we wrap up, its price is $24.99, bringing effortless convenience straight to your couch. Set up today, comfortably, instantly, effortlessly, enjoyably. Creating a workspace that feels clearer and more comfortable can make a big difference in how smoothly your day flows. This monitor stand lifts your screen to a healthier height while giving you extra room to tuck away your keyboard, phone, or desk essentials. It blends perfectly into both home and office setups, helping you work with better posture and less clutter. It's a simple upgrade that quietly supports your productivity without demanding effort. And before we close, its price is $18.04, bringing smart organization into your daily workflow effortlessly, naturally, comfortably, consistently, reliably. Keeping your ride smooth and worry-free becomes much easier with a pump that fits effortlessly into your daily routine. This tiny but powerful tool is perfect for cyclists who value portability, quick fixes, and the peace of mind that comes with being prepared. Its compact size makes it ideal for commutes, weekend rides, or long adventures where every ounce matters. With fast inflation and simple controls, it encourages you to stay ready for anything. And before we wrap up, its price is $42.74, helping you ride confidently anywhere, anytime, effortlessly, safely. Keeping your kitchen organized and your meals fresher for longer becomes incredibly simple with a vacuum sealer that fits right into your cooking routine. Whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or keeping bulk groceries from going to waste, this compact machine makes everything feel more efficient. Its multiple modes give you flexibility, while the built-in cutter and starter kit make it beginner-friendly. It's the kind of tool that quietly upgrades your home without any hassle. And before we wrap up, its price is $37.99, helping you seal freshness with ease every day. Keeping your home's glass surfaces spotless becomes surprisingly effortless with a tool that fits right into a clean, streamlined lifestyle. This lightweight window vacuum helps you breeze through mirrors, tiles, shower doors, and windows without streaks or extra wiping. It's perfect for anyone who loves a tidy space but doesn't want cleaning to take over their day. With quick operation and a compact design, it feels like a small upgrade that makes a big difference in daily routines. And before we wrap up, its price is $50.99, helping your cleaning stay faster, easier, brighter, smoother, happier. Keeping your home cleaner becomes so much easier when muddy paws aren't constantly tracking dirt inside. This handy paw cleaner fits effortlessly into everyday pet routines, whether you're coming back from a walk, a quick potty break, or a fun hike. Its soft silicone bristles make cleanup gentle, fast, and surprisingly mess-free, giving your dog comfort while saving you extra sweeping and mopping. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for car rides and outdoor adventures too. And before we wrap up, its price is $13.49, helping your spaces stay fresher, cleaner, happier, effortlessly, daily. Cooking feels a lot more relaxing when you're not glued to the stove, constantly stirring. This clever automatic pond stir steps in as your mini sous chef, keeping sauces smooth, soups consistent, and gravies lump-free while you multitask around the kitchen. Its hands-free rotation and adjustable speeds make everyday cooking feel easier, especially when you're juggling family meals or prepping multiple dishes at once. Just set it in the pot, tap the button, and let it work. And right before we finish, its price is $39.50, making cooking calmer, simpler, smarter, instantly. When you want to unwind without leaving your bedroom, this adjustable headrest massage kit turns any mattress into a relaxing mini spa. It's perfect for easing tension during at-home massages, stretching sessions, or even quick recovery routines after long days. The memory foam face cushion and customizable angles make it easy to settle into a comfortable position while someone works on your back, shoulders, or neck. Lightweight, portable, and simple to set up, it's a smart upgrade for anyone who loves comfort. Its price is $119.99, bringing calm closer than ever before. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual peeling and hello to a faster, cleaner kitchen routine. This automatic rotating peeling tool handles potatoes, apples, and a wide range of fruits and vegetables with impressive speed and precision. Its sharp stainless steel blades remove only the skin, helping reduce waste while delivering perfect results every time. With adjustable height, a non-slip base, and multiple power options, it's built for convenience and reliable performance. Ideal for everyday cooking or big meal prep, this handy tool is priced at $32.99, making effortless peeling finally attainable. Bring a little extra ease and fun into your kitchen routine with this hand crank rotary cheese grater. Whether you're prepping veggies, shredding cheese for pasta night, or adding chocolate curls to a dessert, the 3 interchangeable blades keep everything quick, clean, and finger-safe. Its compact, no-electricity design fits effortlessly into any cooking lifestyle, from busy families to minimalist kitchens. You'll love how it cuts prep time while boosting creativity, and with its simple handle-turn operation, anyone can use it confidently. All this convenience comes at just $21.20, making kitchen prep feel amazingly effortless. Upgrade your kitchen routine with a cutting board built for cleaner, easier, and more efficient prep. This double-sided titanium board gives you a hygienic surface for meat on one side and a smooth PP surface for fruits and veggies on the other, helping streamline your workflow. The built-in juice groove and garlic grinding zone make everyday cooking feel more organized, while the non-stick, easy rinse design keeps cleanup quick. Durable, odor-resistant, and perfect for modern kitchens, it delivers exceptional value at $27.06, making prep simpler than ever. Make everyday cooking feel smoother with this 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer that keeps your meals light and flavorful. Whether you're air-frying veggies, prepping salads, or brushing all onto a sizzling pan, it delivers a clean, even mist that helps you stay mindful of portions. The clear, sturdy glass body looks great on the counter and makes it easy to see when it's time for a refill. It's one of those small upgrades that instantly feels essential, especially if you love simple, healthier cooking. All this convenience for $15.99, making kitchen life easier. Transform your daily coffee routine with this rechargeable milk frother that whips up rich, creamy foam in just seconds. With a one-button design and a powerful motor, it gives your lattes, cappuccinos, and matcha drinks the cafe-quality finish effortlessly. The detachable stainless steel whisk makes cleaning simple, while the compact stand keeps everything tidy on your counter. Its long-lasting USB-C battery means no more swapping out AAS, and the lightweight build is perfect for home or travel. All this practicality and performance for $19.99, making mornings taste better. Keep your kitchen counter spotless with this large stone dish drying mat that quickly absorbs water and speeds up evaporation. Crafted from durable diatomaceous earth, it's perfect for dishes, utensils, fruits, and vegetables, while its foldable design fits any space. The minimalist style adds a modern touch, and the non-slip base ensures stability during use. Easy to clean and reusable, this mat doubles as a bathroom mat, placemat, or pet feeding pad. Practical, stylish, and versatile, all this convenience comes at $27.99, making it a smart addition to any home. Upgrade your kitchen with the Vero Swisspot Drainer Clip-On, designed for hands-free straining and safer cooking. This universal colander fits pots and pans from 6.3 to 9.8 inches, securing tightly with its auto-tension rear hook for a stable, spill-free pour. Made from premium stainless spring steel, it's rust-resistant, durable, and built to last, with an extra rubber band included. Dishwasher safe and compact, it replaces bulky strainers while keeping your kitchen clutter-free. Engineered in Switzerland with precision and sustainability in mind, this versatile tool makes draining pasta, noodles, and vegetables effortless and worrying-free. Simplify meal prep with the Oricome Manual Vegetable Chopper, a versatile hand-pull food processor that handles onions, garlic, ginger, vegetables, fruits, nuts, herbs, and more. Its pull-string mechanism gives you precise control over chopping from chunky to finely minced without tearing up your eyes or leaving lingering odors. With razor-sharp stainless steel blades and sturdy ABS housing, it chops evenly and efficiently every time. Compact, portable, and easy to clean, it fits kitchens, travel, camping, RV trips, or outdoor BBQs, quick, quiet, and mess-free. This chopper makes meal prep faster, simpler, and more manageable. $9.99, giving you kitchen ease every day. Simplify your kitchen prep with the LaRevue's Electric Food Chopper, a versatile 300 West processor featuring a 7-cup 1.7L glass bowl and for bi-level stainless steel blades for chopping, grinding, mincing, whisking, and pureeing. Its dual speed and pulse controls ensure precise texture for both soft ingredients like vegetables and fruits and harder items like meat or nuts. Compact, user-friendly, and easy to clean, it includes a whisk disc, spatula, and anti-slip base for safe operation. Perfect for everyday meals and baby food prep. $29.59 with 31% savings. Upgrade your home meat preparation with the Chefano to 600W electric meat grinder. Featuring ETL-approved stainless steel construction, 3 grinding plates to millimeters, 5 millimeters, 7 millimeters to blades, a sausage stuffer tube, and a cub kit. Its powerful copper motor handles up to 180 pounds of meat per hour, while the 3-layer auger preserves freshness and nutrients. Easy to operate with a reverse function to unclog stuck food. This versatile grinder also makes sausages and kibbe. Removable parts allow quick hand washing for hygiene. Ideal for home kitchens seeking efficiency and quality. $70.99 with 17% savings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below.